Hi, I'm Matthew Chill at Salesdialers.com, and today we're going to talk about how to add a new user, as well as why somebody might want to add a new user, and how it would benefit them and add value to them. Now, when you purchase an account from us, for each account, you can have one person on the phone. But maybe you have two staff members that share an account. Maybe you have somebody that calls in the morning and then somebody that calls in the afternoon. And you want to be easily able to track their performance as well as who is doing what work and making what calls. So you can easily create them their own unique set of logins so that they become their own user so that you can track staff members' performance separately. Okay, so let's now go and take a look at how to add a new user. All right, so in order to add a new user, we're going to do this from your manager's account. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to log into your manager's account. Once you're inside of your manager's account, we're going to go over to the button in the upper left-hand corner, the menu button. We're going to click that to open up the main menu. And then we're going to want to go down and click on where it says users. All right, and then from there, you're going to want to go down and you're going to click on add user. And then this is the page where we're going to enter in all the information for creating this user their own account. I'm going to use fake information just for this demonstration. So the first thing we need to do is type in their first name. So John Smith. And then, of course, all the fields that are marked with the red asterisks are the ones that are mandatory. We do need a name, an email, as well as what's going to be the caller ID number for them. All right. Use our company's 800 number for this. And then you need to assign this person a username and password. The username can be anything you wish it to. So I'm going to keep it very simple for this. And we're going to call this Sales Rep 1. And the password will be Sales Rep 100. Of course, when you're creating a new user, you definitely want to make sure that you make note of the password that you assign to them. Okay, so we've now assigned them a username and a password. And then we get down to here. And then for default user group, we're going to want to go and select agents. And then here under access user groups, you are going to want to select agents again. And then for enable access details creation, you are going to want to make sure you check that box. And then the last thing, we click the submit button. Aha. Use the username that already exists. So we will call this demo user. Demo user 00. All right, so now we have just created that new user account. Well, from here you can see these are all the users that are inside of my test account. And here is this new user that we just created, John Smith, his email, his username. We can click on the little edit button next to his name if you want to go back and maybe you want to change that person's password or something like that. And that's it. That is how easy it is to create a new user. Now, this new user account will be a completely separate freestanding account. So this will have its own unique username, its own unique password, as well as it will have its own unique telephone codes for signing onto the phone. And it will get its own lists uploaded to it. So it is effectively a completely standalone account. And again, these can be a really great thing for people, especially if they have multiple staff members using the same accounts. Maybe you have a virtual assistant that's outside of the United States and you want them to just have their own logins as opposed to using your logins. It's another great application for this. But this is just another one of the great features that adds a lot of flexibility to Salesdialers and can really add value for a lot of our customers. Thank you again. Have a great day.